this is Brianna, and today I'm going to talk to you about the Hawaiian Islands, more specifically, how they were formed and created. So to start off, islands were formed by seamounts, and how seamounts are formed is when the Pacific plate of the Earth's crust moved over a hotspot. So what is a hotspot? A hotspot is a volcanic region thought to be fed by underlying mantle that is anomalously hot compared to the mantle elsewhere. So now I'm going to show you two examples of seamounts. So now here are the Hawaiian Islands, and maybe most people wondered why they are in a curved shape. So to tell you, just as seamounts are formed, the Pacific plate changed 40 million years ago from north to northwest, just as the islands are themselves to this current day. Now what we see here is a seamount. So seamounts and islands all started out as submarine volcanoes. Loihi off the southeast coast of the Big Island, or Hawaii, is an example of this stage, and Loihi should break the surface in a few 100,000 years. So what we see here is a submarine volcano erupting. And this is what it would look like from the surface. And this is just another picture. When the lava of a submarine volcano eventually breaks out to the surface, it creates pillow lava, which is then the beginning of an island. Above sea level, island formation continues with thousands of spar-spreading thin lava flows that build broadly rounded shaped dome or dome-shaped mountains, to which we call shield volcanoes. When volcanoes erupt, they send lava down the mountains, and much of the time it flows to the ocean, where it will harden to create more land. And this is an example of lava flow to the ocean. And just to add, islands can also form from volcanic landslides, which is just when it kind of collapses and just creates more land from the surface. Lastly, during shield building of a volcano, calderas may form when the top of the shield collapses as the magma beneath it moves under and away from it. And this is a lava lake inside a caldera. And that's the history of island formation.